loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl and I coming back with another video. Y'all, I'm looking a hot mess, but I am currently at the nail salon. I'm just getting myself ready for my photo shoot that I have coming up. So yeah, you're gonna see me getting my nails and my toes done, and I'm doing this all on my lunch break. You know, a busy girl, she gotta make time and do what she gotta do. As you can see, I ended up getting French tip on the nails, and I always get French tip every time. It just looks so cute and pretty and goes with everything. Hi. How are you? Good, and you? I'm recording myself. That's the one I wanted. How do I make it go down? So, I'm on my hour lunch break. I go back at 2 o'clock. I should have time because it's literally right down the street. So, but this was the only time that I had to go. I have to go and get my hair done later today, right after work, and then I'm taking my exam again tomorrow, so wish me some luck. I need to pass this exam. I do not want to take it again. So yeah, we got a busy week coming ahead, but I'm gonna be recording all of it, so make sure you guys stay tuned for a whole bunch of new content. Here's how my nails turned out. French tip, cute as always. I got the toesies out. I did French tip on my toes as well. Came out really cute. Hey my love, so it is the next day, but this is how my hair is looking. It came out so cute. My photo shoot is tomorrow, so I do have to go over my curls again, and I'm probably gonna pin them up tonight so that when it's time I could just unpin them and they're gonna be cute and juicy. Yeah, I'm feeling myself too much. I just wanted to check in with you guys. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, y'all. I'm looking like a grandma with my hair, with this on my hair, but I got my hair curled and tied up. It's 12:24. My appointment is at 4, so right now I'm about to do my makeup, and then after that it's gonna be time for me to start my photo shoot. So stay tuned for how this face is about to be beat.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a man.
So I finished my makeup. It's real cute and simple and natural. Now I'm in the flower shop. I'm trying to find some roses, which that looks like, oh, I don't think they have red ones. These are the only freaking roses they have. Let me see if they have some more, or I'm gonna see if I can find another spot. Y'all, so I got my flowers. I had to do white flowers because they did not have red, but it's still gonna turn out really cute with the backdrop. So yeah, I'm on my way to the shoot now. Y'all stay tuned. We about to get into it. I'm so hyped. Go get that. Get my motherfucking shit back.
Niggas all love me in the video.
They couldn't see nothing.
Be fatal. Hidden messages, conversations with my angels. Just like with me and you, I'm trying to save you. Most time I'm against the wall, 40 on him when he popping out. You look so good to me. I don't need another broken heart. Maybe I was tired of shit, but I can make it out this bitch. I haven't seen you.